DoorDash, another way that you can make money while still having your freedom and flexibility. In this video, we will look at DoorDash, what it is, and how you can earn money from being a dasher, and also more importantly, can you actually make $25 an hour or more from DoorDash? So again, guys, we have another app that you can use to potentially make some extra money, either to spend, invest, save, or whatever your goals may be, or for whatever reason you may have for wanting some extra cash. Now guys, tell me something. How much money would you like to earn in your free time per hour? Is it $25, $35, $45 or more? Comment down below and I'll try to see if I can find a way that makes you that amount of money or even more. Now, if you're looking for a way to make money by doing very little, then this probably isn't for you, as you'll still need to travel and do a good amount of work to profit from DoorDash. Now, this is not an app where you'll do a single order or delivery and then walk away with $100, but instead, if you're interested in working probably 2 to 3 hours for it, then this can work out very well for you. So DoorDash, for those of you who don't know, is an app where you deliver mainly food and groceries to people and you get paid for doing it, right? So again, if you're bored on a Friday night or a Saturday night and you want to listen to some music, drive around town and make some money while doing that, then DoorDash is a solution we're looking into. Now, a very quick reminder here, guys, before we go any further. If you're new here or if you're seeing me for the very first time, my name is Ian, and here on this channel, I talk about ways to make money, investing, and all things personal finance related. So if these are topics that interest you, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. And also consider subscribing to this channel. And when you do so, turn on the notifications, because that's how you can get updated when I post new videos here. And I post a new video here once per day on YouTube. So how do we get started in DoorDash? Now, the first step is to sign up to be a dasher. So signing up for DoorDash is pretty straightforward and easy, right? You can sign up with the app. Now, there are 2 apps for DoorDash, and if you're trying to make money on DoorDash, then you need to download the right one, right? Now, the first one, or the first app, is called DoorDash, and that's not the one you want. DoorDash looks like this, and it's probably the one you're going to come across first. Now, I made this mistake of downloading it too, but all I could do was order food, and that wasn't what I wanted. I actually wanted to make money. So that app is just for ordering on DoorDash. Now, the app that you want to download is the Dasher app, and while the logo is still the same, the app icons look very different, as you can see here. So DoorDash, and then we have Dasher. So make sure you download the right app, which is the Dasher app. So if you download the DoorDash app and you signed up, you won't be able to use those credentials to enter the Dasher app, so there's no way around it, right? Now, to sign up and become a dasher, the app will require you to enter information about yourself, such as your name, where you live, what year car you have, your phone number, email address, and so on. Now, after signing up, you will be sent your Dasher kit, which consists of an insulated food bag and also a prepaid card that you will use to make purchases for orders that you receive within the app. Whenever you are ready to start dashing, you'll sign into the app and you'll see a map of your area. Now, if the map is all white, then there's no activity, but if you see red patches on the map, that means that's where you'll get some orders, right? You'll then need to get to the nearest location where there's activity. Now, once you're there, you can hit Start Dashing. Now, when you do that, you'll be reminded to have your phone charged, get gas, have your bag and your prepaid card ready and with you. Now, you'll check these off on a checklist and then you'll hit Start Dashing. Then you simply wait a couple minutes, if not just a few seconds, depending on just how busy it is in DoorDash. Now, what you guys can do is you can find a restaurant or a parking lot, and in a few minutes you should receive your first order. Now, it will tell you the route and also the amount that you're going to be paid for doing that dash. It should also tell you the amount of items that you will be purchasing. Now, DoorDash also has hotspots, which are areas where you're most likely or more likely to get an order from, right? The app will tell you where the hotspots are, and you can go there after each dash so as not to waste any time. Now, after you start dashing, or maybe when you're in between dashes and you need a break, you can pause your dashes. So let's say you just completed 4 dashes and you don't want the app to send you another dash just yet because you want to stop and, I don't know, get gas, and then that's going to take you 10 minutes. Then you can pause dashes and then resume dashes when you're through. Now, this is a very important step or important feature to use because the app will send you the next dash anytime. And remember, You are timed and you want no bad reviews. So always remember to pause your dashes if you need to take a break. Another thing to take note of here is when you want to accept and decline a dash. So let's say you get a dash and the trip is 15 miles and you don't want to go that far, right? You'll hit decline, but if the app is really busy, it may send you another dash instantly and you may accidentally tap accept without seeing the details first. Now I'm saying this because it happens. So just be mindful of that when you're using the Dasher app. Now, as for the pay, which we all want to know, the orders will be different, so there isn't any set amount that you'll earn per order, but I've seen dashes with $8 and $9, and for that, the travel is usually less than 10 miles in total. Now, if you're lucky enough, you may not have to go further than 5 or even 6 miles. So with that, you could do a couple dashes within an hour, and that should bring your hourly rate up. Now, when you accept the order on DoorDash, you will be given the times when you need to pick up the order and then a time when you need to deliver the order. For the most part, usually the restaurants aren't late with the orders, but sometimes they can be, and that can put you a bit behind on your delivery time. So take that into note. Now, with DoorDash, if you get in at the peak hours, you can find yourself doing dashes for up to 3 hours and not even realizing it, right? Now, the good thing though is that most of the dashes I could find paid roughly $9 on average. Now, once again, my city is very small, and when I went on the map and I checked out other larger cities in Florida, I realized that they had much more traffic and more regularly. Example being Orlando and Miami seemed to have dashes all throughout the day. So to get to $100, if you were making $9 per dash and it took you 15 minutes on average to complete each one, you would make $36 an hour, so you'd have to work for 3 hours to make $100. Now that's pretty impressive when you think about the fact that the average full-time wage is now at around $25 per hour. So 3 dashes per hour at $9 each, and that's you hitting $25 an hour with DoorDash. So if you were to do this full-time, you could hit that $1,000 a week mark that DoorDash says you can make within a week. Now, if you're just looking to make some money on the side, then still you can earn a couple $100s from DoorDash by using it for an hour or two, twice a week, or more if you have the time to spare. Now, remember to set up your withdrawal before you actually start dashing. So when it's time to get paid for the week, you're not left behind, because if you don't do that, then DoorDash won't pay you, right? So you have to link your bank account for your direct deposit so you can get paid on time. So there are a couple more things that you need to know about DoorDash. DoorDash does have a rating system where you are rated on your timeliness in delivering and other factors. As your ratings start to grow, and then you'll be more likely to get dashes, and higher paying ones at that. So this is something that you will have to work at, right? Now, when starting out, you won't have any reviews, so make sure those first few dashes are done right so you can get some great reviews starting out. So guys, my overall view on DoorDash is that it's one of the best ways to earn while doing deliveries right now. Now, the pay per order is very good when compared to some other delivery apps and services, and DoorDash seems to have more people using it when compared to other platforms that do the same thing, right? Now, if you really want to have an idea of just how much you can earn where you live, just download the Dasher app, sign up, and then view the map in the evenings every day when it should be around peak hours or peak times to see if there are a lot of hot spots near you. Now, once again, you can use other apps to make money while you're using DoorDash if you're in the same location, which will further increase your earnings per hour. Now, the biggest downfall I could find with DoorDash is the same with any other app that requires traveling, and that is the cost of traveling, right? So if you have a car that gives you 10 miles to the gallon, then you may find it a bit more difficult to keep a lot of your earnings initially with apps to make money. So guys, these are my thoughts on DoorDash. What are yours? Drop me a comment down below and tell me if this is something that you will try doing, or if you already do DoorDash, let me know how it has been working out for you and just how much money you're able to make on DoorDash. Now, I hope you guys found this video and information helpful, and if so, give this video a thumbs up, as that's how videos get recommended to more people, and I'll really appreciate it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, as I recently realized that 85% of my viewers are unsubscribed. So if you want to get the updates and alerts of when I post new videos here, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Now, if you're a new subscriber or viewer here on the channel, be sure to check out some of my other videos on high-yield savings accounts, checking accounts, investments, credit cards, and of course, more ways that you can use to make money. Also guys, I've left a couple links down below to free stuff, free cashback offers, so be sure to check the links down below in the description for all kinds of free stuff. Once again, thanks for tuning into the channel, all the best with making money, and until tomorrow, adios.